Hi, my name is PJ Williamson, and this is another episode of How Simple Is That? Today, we're going to teach you how to connect to the Ithaca Wi-Fi network on an iPad and iPhone. Before we get started, I should mention that I am using an iPad Air 2 running on the iOS version 12.2. This tutorial will go over how to install the Ithaca Wi-Fi network profile on an iPhone and iPad. If you have a Windows computer, MacBook, or an Android device, there is another tutorial made especially for those mobile products. Please see those tutorials for help with this subject. The following are the prerequisites required to download the Ithaca network profile on a smartphone. You must be an employee, a volunteer, or have a NYSPI username or an NYSPI email address. So to start the process, and regardless of which Apple device you'll be using to install the network profile, open your web browser and navigate to the following link: http://support.nyspi.org/downloads. Scroll down the page to find the ithaca.mobileconfig link and click on it to download it. A warning pop-up should appear stating that this website is trying to open up your settings app and configure the network profile. You should allow this. Next, you'll see a window with a description of the profile that you are about to install. And with that, go ahead and click Install. When prompted, enter your device's passcode. Next, you'll receive a warning stating that the authenticity of Ithaca could not be verified. It is safe to ignore this warning. Click Install to continue. Click Install again at the additional pop-up. When asked to enter your username, type in your username. For your password, use the same password you would use to access your NYSPI email. Click Next to continue. After successfully authenticating, the Ithaca network profile will be installed. Click Done to continue. Back at the main view of your settings app, scroll to the top and click on Wi-Fi. When the list of available Wi-Fi networks appear, choose Ithaca, then click Trust when prompted. If you see that Ithaca is your chosen profile and there is a blue check mark next to the name Ithaca, then you are good to go. So this next part is for those who are using iOS 12.2. After successfully downloading the profile, a second pop-up will appear telling you that if you want to use this profile, you must go to the Settings app and install it. Click Close to continue. Now open your Settings app, press General, and on the right-hand side, scroll to the bottom and locate Profile. You will notice that you have what is labeled as a downloaded profile. Click on the Ithaca profile. We're going to click Install. You'll be prompted to enter your passcode. Go ahead and enter that. The next view here is telling you that the authenticity of Ithaca cannot be verified. That's okay. Just click Install again at the top right-hand corner. Click Install when you see this pop up. Now go ahead and enter in your username and then your password. And when you're done, go ahead and click Next. You should be returned back to the detailed view of the Ithaca profile. You'll notice up at the top in the middle, it'll say Profile Installed. To the right, click Done. So there is one more important part in configuring the network settings on your iPad or iPhone. If you don't already have your Settings app open, go ahead and locate the Settings app and open it up. Now find the Wi-Fi settings and tap that. On the right-hand side, make sure that Ithaca is your network and that there is a check mark to the left of it. If this is the case, you're good to go. Otherwise, make sure you switch to Ithaca. Next, click on the little eye icon to the right. This will present the network settings for the Ithaca network. Now, at the bottom of the network settings view on the right-hand side, locate the HTTP proxy settings and tap on Configure Proxy. Now on the Configure Proxy screen, choose Automatic. Once you do, you'll see that a new text box labeled URL will pop up. Go ahead and tap on it so that your keyboard will appear. Now for the URL, type the following: http://nyspipac.nyspi.org. Once you're done entering that in, click Save to continue. The best way to make sure that you have done everything correctly is to simply open up your browser and navigate to a website of your choice and make sure you can connect. If you were successful in connecting to a website, congratulations, you are all set and good to go. Otherwise, please contact the service desk for more help on this matter. So, if you have any questions, please contact SciIT.